Hi, I'm Al Forster. I write and lease computer programs that can save you time and make you money. If you want to learn more about how my Smartsheet application technology can do that for you, come to my website, avfconsults.com, and click on any of the icons on the first page, and it will explain just how this Smartsheet application technology works. You can get additional details by clicking on the click here entry on my home page. So Smartsheet technology is based on the free to download and use OpenOffice. To download OpenOffice, if you haven't already done so, you would type in OOO space download in the Google search page, and one of the first items that would come up is Apache OpenOffice Downloads. If you click on that, you'll go to the OpenOffice download web page associated with your computer. This website is smart enough to identify what kind of computer you're using and take you to the appropriate download page for your computer's operating system. Because my website also has a series of videos and tutorials, you'll also have to download the Apple QuickTime Player application, and you can do that by typing Apple QuickTime Download for Windows, for example, or for Macintosh, and it would take you, and then click on that entry, and it'll take you to Apple's download page. My website also has a series of tutorials that you can video tutorials that you can get to by clicking on the appropriate icon, or you can buy any one of my 4 applications by selecting the appropriate item to lease for 1 year or 10 years and clicking the Buy Now button. This will take you to a PayPal homepage, and there you can pay by credit card and email me the code that you used, what's called a personal security code that you used when you ran the trial application. You could also need to download several other applications from my website from the free downloads page. One of them is a barcode font called Free 3 of 9 Extended. It's a TrueType font that you can install and is used in some of my applications. Another app that's available is the aMemberManager application, which allows you to manage members in clubs and organizations. Any number of members from 10 to 1,000 members can be handled by this application. It also allows you to invoice people on a monthly or a quarterly or a biannual basis for meals that they might have during your club meetings. To set up the Smartsheets environment of OpenOffice so that my applications will run smoothly, I have a Smartsheets setup app that basically gives you a set of instructions as to what to download and how to set up the OpenOffice environment so that my applications run properly. This also comes with 3 games that you can play to improve your typing and word processing skills. One of the games is called Match Me, the other one is called Match Word, and the third one is called Catch Me. The Match Me application allows you to improve your typing skills for numbers. You will be presented with a small box where you would type in the value that's shown here under value. Also, the word match displays a word, and then after you click the start button, it displays a word that you would type in, and you can set the delay between each word that's displayed by entering that value here in seconds. And finally, the Catch Me application shows little black squares, and if you mouse over to them and click on them, it will keep your score to see how fast you can move the mouse around the screen. My first least application is a cooking recipe database that I call aTimers. It gives you a countdown timer, and you enter your recipes in the area right below this spreadsheet. So you scroll down, enter your recipes, and then by typing just a few characters of any recipe name or recipe number, it will bring up that recipe in the lines directly below it. The aBridgeTournament Manager application it allows you your club or organization to run bridge tournaments effectively, and in our club we have been able to average $400 to $500 per bridge tournament that we have sponsored. Basically, you put in the first and last name of each player. You collect $20 from each player and each team, or $40 for each team. You then can handle from if you have to have a minimum of 8 teams or 16 players, but you could have a maximum of 20 teams as well, and this spreadsheet will still handle them. You then, as each round is played, you enter the scores for each team, and it maintains a running total that then can be sorted on, so that you can find the top 3 scores, team scores, so that you would get a first, second, and third place displayed. You can also display this if your laptop computer has a HTML or HDMI output, then you can display this on a big screen. We usually display on a 42-inch monitor so everybody in the room can see what's going on. And then there's the member management application that allows you to manage, as I said, from 10 to 1,000 members, and you can invoice. It automatically calculates the fees associated with each member. It also keeps track of attendance and the number of meals that each member has eaten during a quarter, and then our invoices allow us to invoice those members on a quarterly basis and keep track of how if we've received their payments each quarter. And finally, our Get Stocks application that allows us to manage your portfolio. So if you want to manage your portfolio yourself, you don't want to have to pay the fees of some financial institute to manage your stock portfolio, then this application downloads data from the financial internet every day, calculates it. You have to have 4 stocks in each of up to 40 sectors of the stock market that have tracked one another quite well over the last year. And what this application tells you is if large investors have bought into or are selling out of each sector that you're tracking. The example gives you 37 sectors that I have used quite efficiently to average 12% a year in the stock market, which means the money I had in my portfolio 17 years ago has grown by over 650%. So come to our website, I think you now understand why these applications can save you time and make you money, and find out a little bit more about them. Or send me an email by clicking on Contact Me down below. My email address is al@avfconsults.com. Have a great day.